Think a roof replacement takes forever? Skyview Exteriors, your local family-owned roofing team in Cranston, shows how fast a full upgrade can happen. We strip 30 years of wear, mend hidden deck damage, and install a storm-ready, energy-smart system that keeps Rhode Island homes secure for decades. From the first nail pulled to the final inspection, a Skyview roof replacement is designed to feel effortless for the homeowner. We handle permitting, scheduling, and material delivery behind the scenes, so there's no last-minute scramble in your driveway. On installation day, the entire old roof disappears in hours, and in its place rises a complete weather defense system built for New England's salt air, snow loads, and sudden temperature swings. Every component, from moisture barrier to high-definition architectural shingles, is manufacturer matched to maximize warranty coverage and keep maintenance simple. We finish clean, magnet sweep every nail, and walk you through the finished work so you see exactly what's protecting your home. The result is a beautiful, storm-ready roof installed by neighbors who care about the community as much as you do. Here's the reveal: a sharp new roof that makes this Cranston home look brand new. Don't wait. Call Skyview Exteriors today for your free, no-obligation roof inspection. And hit like and subscribe for more videos like this.